Welcome everyone. Today, let's take a look at how to perform a slot milling operation. Okay, my machine setup is complete now. Before we move on to the slot milling operation, I'll just quickly finish the initial operations on the workpiece. If you haven't seen how to do those operations, please check out the previous tutorials. Alright, then let's see how to perform a slot milling operation. As before, go to the 2D menu in the top toolbar and select slot. Alright, once the slot operation opens, the first thing you need to do is select a tool. You should choose one that is suitable for your slot. Next, go to the geometry menu and select your slot. You can do this by selecting the face of your slot or as a chain, whichever is easier for you. Alright, next you need to go to the heights menu and input your heights. You can select the top face of your slot as your top height, and the bottom of the slot as your bottom height. When selecting the bottom, if you've selected it as a chain, you can either provide the selected contour here, or you can simply select the bottom directly. After that, go to the passes menu. Here, you can input the tolerance. You can also provide a back-off distance and repeat your finishing step. There's also a multi-depth option where you can give a step down. Additionally, you can specify a stock to leave. Next, go to the linking menu. Here, you can define the cutting method for your slot. You can choose to use a profile ramp, or you can plunge. You already know that plunging isn't ideal for the tool, as it can affect its condition. Alternatively, you can create a pre-drilled hole and use the pre-drill option. I'll be using the profile ramping method here. Make sure to input the correct ramping angle with the appropriate parameters. Alright, that's how you perform a slotting operation. Now, let's take a look at the simulation of this part.